What is your name?
My name is Annisa Putri Aulia. People usually call me Annisa or Nisa.
Where were you born? And what's special about your hometown?
I was born in Karawang. The special thing about Karawang is a major industrial hub in Indonesia, hosting numerous manufacturing plants and industrial estates. The city is home to a variety of industries, including automotive, petrochemicals, and textiles. The presence of industrial zones has contributed significantly to economic growth in the region.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are listening music, watching Korean drama, and taking a photo or video.
What is your favorite book, movies, or TV show?
My favorite book is novel Kata by Rintik Seduh. I think I don't have favorite movie, but I have favorite series. There are 2521, Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha, and The Glory 1 and The Glory 2.
Is there a particular skill or talent you're proud of?
I'm proud of myself because I can make a poster digital without template, and I can operate accounting applications, namely Accurate and Mayo, and I can manage my time when I have a lot of college assignments.
What motivates or inspires you the most in life?
My motivates in my life is my mother because she is very kind to others, she is very patient and smart.
Are there any personal goals or dreams you're actively pursuing?
My goal is to graduate on schedule and work as an accounting or finance officer for a reputable organization as soon as possible.
Do you know what is accounting?
Yes, of course I know accounting. Accounting is the process of recording financial transactions pertaining to a business. The accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions to oversight agencies, regulators, and tax collection entities. The financial statements used in accounting are a concise summary of financial transactions over an accounting period, summarizing a company's operations and financial position and cash flows.
What are the main branches of accounting?
The world of accounting expanded into several branches that specialize in particular legal areas or focus on a certain aspect of business. Here is a list of 12 branches of accounting. First, financial accounting. Second, managerial accounting. Cost accounting, auditing, tax accounting, fiduciary accounting, project accounting, forensic accounting, fund accounting, government accounting, political campaign accounting, and the last is international accounting.
What are the basic principles about accounting?
The basic principle about accounting is accrual principle. The concept that accounting transactions should be recorded in the accounting periods when they actually occur, rather than the periods when there are cash flows associated with them. Second is conservatism principle. This is the concept that you should record expenses and liabilities as soon as possible, but to record revenues and assets only when you are sure that they will occur.
What is the purpose of double entry accounting?
Double entry is a bookkeeping and accounting method, which states every financial transaction has equal and opposite effect in at least two different accounts. It is used to satisfy accounting equation. Assets equal liabilities plus equity. With a double entry system, credits are offset by debits in a general ledger or T accounts.
What is the difference between a debit and a credit in accounting?
The primary difference between debits versus credit accounting is their function. Debit increases asset and expense account and decreases liability, revenue, and equity accounts. Meanwhile, credit decreases asset and expense account, increases liability, revenue, and equity accounts. The, the other important distinction between debit and credit is their placement on journal entry. Debit is always on the left side of an entry. Credit is always on the right side of an entry.
What is a balance of sheet?
The balance sheet is one of the three fundamental financial statements and is key to both financial modeling and accounting. The balance sheet displays the company's total assets and how the assets are financed, either through either debt or equity. It can also be referred to as a statement of net worth or statement of financial position. The balance sheet is based on the fundamental equation: assets equal liabilities plus equity.
What is the purpose of the statements of the cash flow?
The purpose of the statement of cash flows is to present cash inflows and outflows for a reporting period to the reader of the report. These inflows and outflows are further classified into operating, investing, and financial activities. The information is used by the investment community to discern the ability of an organization to generate cash and how the funds are then used.
What is the role of an auditor in accounting?
An auditor conducts assessment of process, systems, and information to validate their integrity and confirms established policies and other criteria. To understand how to prioritize auditing efforts, an auditor might perform risk assessments before conducting an audit. Most auditors specialize in particular subject areas, such as financial statements auditing, IT auditing, and process auditing. Though some auditors are external, it's not uncommon for companies to employ in-house auditors. Auditors are also responsible for noting where an organization can improve its processes, become more efficient, and decrease risk.